All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me again. So this is the follow-up video from the ACA video that I made earlier. So according to the Observer, the Clarendon Police Department are denying that Aka was actually arrested. I'm going to get into the details and I'm going to tell you what I think about the situation. And guess what, people want to do? Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. A lot of people are asking about it. What's the problem? What's happening? What's this, and all this question. We're going to have a look at the video and let's analyze it. Big up, people. Anyways, thank you very much for joining again. Let's have a look at the what the police had to say about the situation. Let's have a more in-depth look. So this is the article that was written by the Gleaner. I may assume that this was the Observer. My bad, the Observer. I may assume that this was done this evening. Let me see if you guys can see it quite clearly. Good. Let's make this one a quick one. Good. It said not true. Cops deny Reggae Boy Jevaughn Watson arrest. Let's get into it. Clarendon, Jamaica. The police are denying that Reggae Boy Jevaughn Watson was held with an illegal firearm and arrested. A video is being circulated on social media showing a man resembling Watson being taken into police custody in Maypen, Clarendon. The video has a caption suggesting that the footballer was found with an illegal firearm. But commanding officer for the Clarendon Police Division, Senior Superintendent Glenford Miller, told Observer Online that the video was edited to make it seem Watson was arrested. The video was edited. So let's have another look at the video. Let's have another look at the video, people. Let us have another look at the video. Let's find the video. Where's the video? They said the video. So there's in the police. Yeah, he's with the police. And it's Aka. I'm sure most of us know Aka. The person in the background said Aka. He's going inside the police vehicle now. Police closed the vehicle. So they said the video was edited. Let's see. All right, so he was searched by he said he was searched and released. Nothing was found on him. He was searched and released. That means that video that we just watched, it can't be Aka then. All right, if it was edited, fine. But it was a continuous sequence of activity. Well, anyways, let's read into it. Let's continue. He said there are people making allegations of corruption, but the fact of the matter is that Watson was not arrested. Efforts to speak to Watson provided futile. At the start of the video, a man resembling Watson is shown handcuffed and standing behind a motor car with a policeman in front of him. All those who know Watson, what kind of vehicle does Watson drive? I think, what kind of vehicle? I don't know. If you guys know that vehicle, I think in the vehicle was a Black 5 Series. Black 5 Series. And that's what it looked like. I'm not sure what kind of vehicle Aka drive. So, definitely. At the start of the video, a man resembling okay. So it said he then led to a police service vehicle as the camera gets a close-up of him. Yeah. The man enters the police unit and another policeman with a bag in his hand closes the door. The video ends shortly after. Let's have another look at that video again. So that is it. So we're looking there at Aka, about 6'2", police pointing. Yeah, that is Aka. He's walking away now. In the police vehicle. Oof. Well, anyways, they said the video is edited, people. That's what they said. I'm really not sure about that. But anyways, they said the video was edited and he was in fact not arrested and he was in fact searched and released. He was in fact searched and released, but according to that video, in which was edited, spent a lot of time editing that video, in which was edited, that edit showed him being handcuffed and brought to the service vehicle, put inside of the service vehicle. But according to the police report, he was only searched and released. Anyways, so people, that's it. So basically, police denying, not me saying, I didn't say that. The observer said that the police are denying because they're the one who reach out to the police and they're the one who tried to reach out to Akka to get clarification on what exactly went down, and that is the situation. They said that it was up to a video shoot. No camera crew in sight. Anyways, too much questions. There was too much questions on that particular incident. A lot of questions to be a lot of unanswered questions there. A lot of questions to be asked as well. Camera crew. If the video was edited showing someone go inside of the police vehicle, someone resembling Akka, and well, clearly that was not any form of resemblance. That is Akka. That is Akka. We all know who Akka look like. That is Akka. But according to the report, the police report, he was searched and released. He was searched and released. So that's it, people. Definitely. I'm 100% sure that there will be something coming after this. I'm sure, not by me, but I do believe that some follow-up will be coming after this. But anyways, people, big up, massive respect, Military Guna TV, and I am out. Boom.